Hello guys, so today we're gonna talk how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for digital art, brushes and tools business, easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So the first thing here, you can change the topic and the type of your business. Okay, so the topic, maybe you can choose art and design, and then the type, you can choose online store and services. Here you can choose one of these templates here if you want. You can start with one of these, and also you can build your own template. So let's get started from here, and let's go. So here you can enter your business name. Now let's move on. Here you're gonna build your homepage. Build your homepage section by section, adding as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section. So you have to try your best to make your site looks better and attractive to attract people and customers to your site. That's it. All the sections must be an attractive section. You can do anything to make your site looks attractive. So that's it. Now let's move on. Add page to your site. Choose a color palette. Choose any color match with your business, any color you like, and here choose the font. Okay, and now you can choose if you want to continue and describe something about your website, and choose the writing style of you, or if you want to just skip. Okay, I'm gonna skip this. Okay, this is your home page right now. So if you want to edit it, click here like this, and the first thing here, you can change the text here, introduce your brand. So click on it, and you can type anything attractive. For example, welcome our to our site for digital art brushes and tools. Okay, like this. After this, you have to edit this section. So here you can edit the grid, the row count, and the gap, and the full screen, the alignment, the height. After this, you can choose the background. You can select just a simple art from here, and also you can add image as a background. So click here and select from library, and go to the free image and search on uh, digital art brushes and tools, like this. Okay, I'm gonna choose one of these here. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. It's just a simple background, and now you can change the text on this button label here. Just change the text. Okay. Okay, now if you wanna add a section, just click here and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. Okay, now you can move this section, you can move it down or move it up, you can save it from here or duplicate it. And now let's move on to the next. So first here you have to change the wave intensity and change the text style, the text size, and like this it's much better and much attractive. Now let's move on. First you have to delete this image and add another one. So put it here and make it bigger. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna choose this for example. After this, you can use this space to talk about your shop and your products, how and where are they made and what makes them unique. So before you do this, you're gonna change the paragraph 2 to heading 4 like this. And now you can change the topic of this text here. Okay, now let's move on to the background. You don't have to add image on the background, just a simple art, it's much better. Okay, like this. Now let's move on. Also this the same thing in the next section, just a simple art. Okay, also here just a simple art. Alright, here instead of this image you can add the map, for example. Okay, so here you can change your location, you can add the business location, your address. Just click here and you can change the business name and the address and the city and the state and the country, and change the design of the map. And after this, the background, and just simple art. Okay, okay, so this is the last section, the footer section, just simple art, the same thing as normal. Okay, here you can change the location, the hours, and the contact text. Okay, after you're done from this, you can go to the selling section and customize the price and add the product to your inventory and add the way to get paid, choose the subscription plan. And the last thing is publish your website and start selling, start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for digital art, brushes, and tools business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.